In Teamwork Desk, rather than having to manually add an email signature to each reply on each ticket, you can easily set a default email signature for a particular inbox, and doing so couldn't be easier. To get to our edit inbox page here in our settings, we first need to select our profile picture on the top right, then select the settings option. In our settings window, select the inboxes tab. Now we can select our particular inbox that we want to add our signature for, and I'll go with support inbox. And now over on the left hand side, just make sure that we're in the edit inbox option. Next up, we just need to scroll down where here you can see the option to add an email signature. Just select the pencil icon, and now we can begin adding our signature. When adding our signature, we have all of these familiar formatting options, one of which in particular to note is this insert variable option here. And if we select this, you can see that we can insert a range of variables. So we can add customer details here, mailbox details, the ID of the ticket, and agent details. So let's say here that in the signature I want to add the full name of the agent. And of course we can add normal text here as well if we want to. So I'll quickly just add some more information to this signature. And then once we're happy, all you have to do is select save. And now whenever we add a reply to a ticket in this inbox, this email signature will automatically be added. Here we are in a ticket in our support inbox, and if we look here at our reply window and expand on this option here, you can see that our signature has been added and that the agent name has been filled in. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add inbox signatures in Teamwork Desk. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.